Hello, my sweethearts, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Sweethearts, ooh, we bumblebee ringlet wand curls. You guys, if you like this, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this easy crochet done. The subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, my hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. Okay, these products are gonna be listed in the description box below. I wanna make sure my hair is moisturized. I wanna make sure it's nice and oiled up because this is a crochet hairstyle, meaning your hair is going to be locked up. You're not gonna be able to get to it, so let's make sure your hair is oiled. Sweethearts, make sure you guys are massaging that oil into your scalp. We are looking for growth. Okay, I want to pull just a little bit of my sides out just to blend. This is only for blending. You don't have to have a leave out, but I prefer just a small leave out just to help with the blending. So for on the edges, all we're going to do is just twist them down. You can braid them down. You can do whatever you want. I'm only doing this just to get the hair out of my way when we start to braid. We're going to make sure we're going to oil our scalp up as we go, just to keep our hair nice and greased. You guys, I'm shocked and surprised at what I found. Do you see that beautiful streak? I think it is sexy. I want more. Give me more. Hey. Okay, loves, the thing about crochet is your hair underneath does not have to be beautiful. You could twist it, braid it. There's even braidless crochet that to where you don't even have to have braids. This is just helping your hair grow to me when you braid under crochet. So again, your hair does not have to be perfect. Just braid it good enough just to hold the crochet hair. Not so tight when braiding, please, because when you're adding the crochet hair to it, that's going to add some more tension to your hair. So make sure you're not braiding too hard. Right here we are going to do a two braided all the way until one. So right here I just braided one part, and then I'm gonna braid another part, and then we're going to combine those parts together into one braid and braid it all the way to the back. And then we're going to do this for the entire head, okay? The step that I'm going to do right now is going to save you from putting clip-ins or bobby pins in your hair. You're going to grab that braid and you're going to combine it with the other braid, and then you're just going to braid down. Again, you're not going to braid too tight. We're going to make sure that you can go to sleep at night. Okay, so be gentle when you're braiding down. And again, here we're going to crochet this our hair into our hair instead of adding some bobby pins. You know, you don't want that extra tension on your hair again. So let's just pin our hair up with the crochet needle. Easy. Okay, sweeties, I got this hair from Amazon. Ringlet wand curl 1B. I'm telling you, one pack is all you need. I had so much hair left over after this. Look, bouncy. It's just, I love it. I love everything about this hair. Sweethearts, when separating this hair, I only separated it twice. You can actually separate this 3 to 4 times. It all depends on how thick and how full you want your hair. How to crochet. Okay, sweethearts, we're going to pull it through. We're going to put our hair on the hook, close it, pull that through, and then we're going to put our fingers in between it, pull that hair through, tie the knot 1 time. That is it. We're not going to tie it no more. Why? Because this is long. This is long hair. If it was short, then you would probably have to tie it twice. So go ahead and check this out slowly. You guys, this is only 1 pack of hair. There's 3 that come in the pack. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of hair. Invisible root method. Okay, sweethearts, you're gonna put the latch through. You're gonna put the hair on it. When you pull it through, just pull it through, hold it right on the side. You're gonna put 1 piece of the hair through, not both pieces, just 1. Then you're gonna tie that in 1 knot, pull that through, and then there's your invisible part. All right, when we're almost done, around our edges, we're just gonna take a tiny piece of the hair. We're gonna break little pieces off, and then we're gonna put them on each piece of the crochet braids that you see right under. It's just gonna help it blend a little better. Another thing, sweethearts, when you are cutting your hair or you're shaping it, if you will, make sure you're cutting downward, not side to side. You guys, I am still in love with this black control. This really holds for me, and it does great for your edges. Check it out, linked in the bottom. Okay, we're almost done. We're going to do this routine right now. This is a nightly routine. This is what I do every night to keep this hair looking good every night. So check this out. And these are the finished results, my loves. I love it. Don't it look sophisticated? Doesn't it look office ready? Yeah, I love it, you guys. Ringlet wand curls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.